Good morning, y'all. I'm on my way to the boutique. We've been closed for 2 days because it stormed really bad here, y'all. Hopefully, you guys are doing well. We had a severe flood warning, y'all, and the rain came through, shut everything down. So I got to go over there, check and make sure everything is still good. And also, when I made it home this morning, y'all had rain so bad. I guess the leaking, the housing on the window, the seal is leaking because I had water all on the living room floor, like half of the living room floor. Y'all, it was wet, both windows. So I did put in a work order for that. I'm praying that they come and get it done as soon as possible. I don't know when it's gonna rain again. And we need the rain, y'all. But it was just way too much. Way too much. Mm-mm. I always travel with 2 cups. So we're gonna fill this up with ice, just so we can have ice water. You never know if your car break down or what. So I need to have ice water, and also I'm gonna make me an icy. And they let you fill up your cups for free. They do not charge you. I love Quick Trip, y'all. They offer one of the best flavored drinks, y'all. The best. Let me see what color I'm gonna get today. I normally get the cherry and the sour apple. Oh, wait. I guess we're gonna have to go with the lemonade. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my God, they're so good. I'm mad the green one not ready. It's watery. I know, right? It's so good. Yes, it's so good. All right, so I got my 3 drinks. I made it to the store, so let's go see what our shop looks like. We may have to do some cleaning, and I'm not sure if I need to change the mannequins out just yet, y'all. I haven't changed them in about 5 or 6 days. So let's check it out. All right. Everything look good. I just need to clean now. At this point, everything looks good. I'm just gonna go run through really quick and make sure that everything is accounted for, and also make sure that there was no leaking in here from the flood. Yeah, we see they done undressed the mannequins, y'all. All right, let me go check it out. Just a lineup of my new arrivals, 5 of them. We have 17 in store. I'm trying to turn the TV on so I can get me some music. Look, I go right to my YouTube channel. You could tell what I be watching, y'all. uh, Are y'all following that Diddy trial? Listen, this is crazy, y'all. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. I just had that taco. I had made some homemade tacos. And we are running a sale for the month of May, which ends on the 31st, y'all. So it's 20% off in store and online. I'm not gonna bore y'all with just dressing the mannequins, but I am going to redress them. I'm gonna come back, y'all, okay? And I'll show y'all the next set that we're gonna put on the mannequins. One thing I like about it is these breakaways make it so much easier. But I am gonna spray paint these mannequins. I think I'm gonna go black or gold, only because the white gets scratched up really good, and I don't like that. It'll make your mannequins look like they dirty when they clean, because I always clean them down with Clorox bleach wipes, let them dry, and then I put the product on there. But I am gonna spray paint them, y'all. Y'all let me know what color y'all think I should do, gold or black. It has to be something dark. I can't go white. I could probably do a neutral color, like tan. That'll probably work, but we'll see. How you doing? Huh? Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop right here. You want it? You good? Okay. Okay. I just don't want to be in your way. Thank you. So I do have to sweep and mop. I try to put them in the cart so they won't get too damaged, especially if I don't have my table back here. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. My mannequins, I don't want them to be in the nude. This one come in two different colors. They are so cute, y'all. And they got a split on the side right here. Listen. So I'm just gonna clamp her up just a little bit. Put her arms back on and we're gonna be good to go. So I figured I'm just gonna go with all dresses this week. Let it be a dress week for the mannequins. The weather is supposed to be really good this week too. So and then y'all know we got the back out back here. And if it's not hanging the way I want to because it's not a real body, I always put me some clamps on the back so that way you can visualize how it's gonna fit you. And when you come in, you'll see that. I'm gonna let this one stay on the mannequin. Super cute, y'all. Only because it's dress week. Hey girl.
Hey.
What you doing? Why you snapping pictures? You over there taking screenshots.
Oh, I did. My bad.
Mm-hmm.
A grocery store. Or like, yeah, but it has not been bad at all.
Okay. This is one of my favorite dresses, y'all. So elegant. It has great stretch. It's sheer and mesh, but double padded at the front, y'all. Sexy. Like she giving, take me out, honey. Yes. But trust me, she serving. Great material, y'all. Look. Great stretch. She's serving body with it too. She's serving body with it too, y'all. Let me see if I can get this in here without, oh, I can, without having to take her clothes off again. All right. Oh, that was perfect. Mm-hmm. See, a lot of people think that with the back out, it's gonna be a lot showing. It's not, y'all. When I tell you, you can make it work and it's gonna look good while you do it. Listen. Yes. And when you're doing it like that, try to make sure your mannequin is not gripping onto your apparel. Now look at that. Come on, girl, work with me. There we go. Pull her up. There she go. And this is a size large. Who said if you wear large, you can't wear this? Listen. All right, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and clean. And then I'll go ahead and check my cameras. I need to check the cameras, make sure everything is properly running, which I see the lights coming on as I move around. And I also need to do a small inventory count. And yeah, let me give y'all a full lineup. I normally have a bigger ladder than this. Oh, okay. I made it. You have to make sure your space is lit up. I'll fix that in just a moment. The customers need to see what they're buying. If they can't see what they're buying, it's going to be hard for them to buy it. Uh-oh. Oh. So I try to provide enough lighting. I installed all of these lights on my own, y'all. And I didn't know how to do it, but I did it. You just got to be dedicated to what it is that you're trying to do. Okay? And it's going to come together, baby. I promise. I might have to go get another ladder for this because it looks like it want to give me a problem. I don't like the cords to be visible. All right. That done came down. Okay. That's good enough for now. I got to get another ladder so I can work the top. This little one's too small. I actually marked down some items on these racks right here. So now it's time for me to go. I'm done. Everything looks organized. I actually have 3 or 4 rows of access here. walk in. You can walk in here, here, and then of course, let's continue to grow and glow. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Thanks in advance. Stop in store and check me out. And like I said, for the month of May, 20% off. You know why? What to say, girl? Because one day isn't enough to be celebrated as a mother. Honey, we do this 365 days out of the year. I love y'all. Until next time, I'll see y'all soon. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. I love y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all continue to be blessed.